Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cover a simple topic, that is the different types of joins in SQL queries. So before wasting any time, let's just jump right into the topic. Broadly speaking, there are two different types of joins, inner join and outer join. However, outer join can be broken down further into left join, right join, and full join. So I've put together simple Venn diagrams to demonstrate the different types of joins here. So what do each of these mean? So inner join is used to get the common entries between the two tables. So if table A is joined with table B using a column that exists in both, then you only get the rows that match on that column. Left join is used to get all the entries from the left table, but only the common entries from the right table. So if the table A is joined with table B using a column that exists in both, then you will get all rows from table A, but from the table B, you will only get back the matching rows. So right join is the opposite of left join. That is, it is used to get all the entries from the right table, but only the common entries from the left table. Full join, as the name suggests, is used to get all the entries from both the tables. That is, it will get all the rows from table A and table B regardless of the matching. All right, so it may look simple, or the explanation I've given you may look daunting, but let me show you some examples so the concepts are much clearer for you. For the demonstration, I've created two different tables. One is stock items, which is nothing but a repository of all the stock within the company or the database. And the other one is the orders table, which is nothing but all the orders placed by the customers. So there is a column that actually exists in the orders table that I can use to point back to the stock items table. That is nothing but the stocks. So obviously, if not all the stock items may have orders. So that is one thing to consider when in your business, isn't it? So you need to know, okay, which stock I'm actually purchasing that no one is actually buying, or probably less number of people are buying. All right, so I've put together some examples here to demonstrate. So let's just look at the inner join first. So obviously, with any select query, you start off with select your column names. You do a from your table name. So in this case, my left table is the stock items, and I'm inner joining it to the orders table, that is my right table, and I'm joining them on the stock item ID. I'm doing a group by primarily because I want to see what stocks are actually selling the most. So if I run that, I get that. So that's basically saying, okay, the stock item ID has got 1123 orders. However, if I scroll down, okay, stock item 23 has only got 115. So, managers or whoever is actually managing the sales basically can actually look at this data and say, oh, why is this happening, and etc., etc. So obviously, if we want, we can also include the stock item name as well, which will probably make it much easier for someone who doesn't know what the stock ID is. And obviously, that will give me that. Obviously, that's a wrong ordering again. So let's do that. Okay, so that's giving me the stock item name now. Okay, so that is inner join. So this is obviously only returning me any entries that actually exist in both of them. Yeah. However, when I look at the left join now, it will demonstrate some entries that are there in the stocks but are not there in the order table. So as it says, left join. So my left table is the stock items, my right table is the orders. And what I'm returning back is the stock item ID, stock item name, and the order ID. Now let's run this. Okay, so I've got the stock item ID, stock name, but as you can see on the order ID, on the first two at least, I've got null. Obviously, after that, yep, I've got all the order IDs for that, everything else. So why is that the order ID is null for the first two? So basically, this is the way the join or the left join or the right join will depict unmatching rows. So as I said earlier, if I do a left join from table A to table B, in this case, stock items to orders, I'll get everything from the left table. So in this case, I'm getting everything back from the stock items table, but only the matching rows from the orders table. So in this case, if I run that again, all I'm getting back is, all I'm getting back is null entries in here because there's no matching entries for these two stock item IDs. All right, so in the right join, I'm doing the opposite of left join. So in my left join, my table one was stock items. In my right join, I'm using orders as my table A on the left table, and the right table is stock items. I'm joining on the same. So basically, this will give me an identical result. Why? Because I'm doing a right join, which is very similar to what I've done here, isn't it? In terms of the tables. So my right table, I'm getting everything back from that. And from the left table, I'm only getting back the matching entries. So again, as you see, for the stock items that doesn't exist, I get back a null. All right, so let's move on to the full join now. As I said earlier, full join is where I'm joining on table A and table B, in this case, orders and stock items, and I'm getting back everything from both the tables. So in my experience though, full join I've only used probably once or twice, because most of the times the requirement can be either matched by using inner join or left join or right join. So the only time you'd ever use full join is if you say, I want everything from table A and table B, which means the question will be like, I want everything from table A that doesn't exist in table B, and I want to get everything from table B that doesn't exist in table A, and I want to get everything that matches in both the tables. So the alternative to using full join is you can write, your inner join query, your left join query, your right join query, and put a union between each of them, and you get all the rows as the requirement says. Or simply, you could just write full join, and basically it does give you the results. I hope you found the examples useful. If you have any queries, please post them in the comment section below, and I will try my best to respond. To help you all, I have put together a couple of exercises. So please try these on your own time. I have given hints as well in each of these exercises, so pay attention to them if you're looking for any help. I will provide the answers in the next week's video. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to not miss out on future videos. Thank you. Bye.